First of all, we'd like to congratulate you for your first gold medal for like your figure skating. I just want to ask you, how did you find that chiropractic treatments in the Kent Chiro-Med Wellness Clinic?
First, I'd like to thank my mom. She drove me everywhere to see my chiropractic appointments. And the Dr. Maryam gave me exercises that helped create a daily routine. And I felt like the exercises made me stronger, more stable, and balanced on ice. And even on my daily life, they helped my feet get better because my feet are inverted to the inside. So yeah.
Okay, and then you had a routine, so you did your exercise almost every day. So
Yeah.
you were, and I can see a lot of improvement. But anyways, congratulations. We are all proud of you.
Thank you.